Hey there, folks! In today's video, I want to share with you the top 6 plants that you should never grow at home. Trust me, you'll want to steer clear of these green beauties, for the safety of yourself, your family, and your home. 1. Giant hogweed. Giant hogweed sap causes severe skin burns when exposed to sunlight. 2. Japanese knotweed. Japanese knotweed is invasive and difficult to eradicate, and it can damage foundations and pipes. 3. Oleander. Oleander is highly toxic if ingested and dangerous to children and pets. 4. The castor bean plant. The castor bean plant contains ricin, one of the deadliest toxins, and is not suitable to be planted at home. 5. Foxglove. Foxglove contains toxic compounds affecting the heart when ingested. 6. Dieffenbachia. Dieffenbachia's sap causes severe mouth and throat irritation, so do not keep it at home. So there you have it, folks, 6 plants you should never grow at home for the sake of your health, safety, and peace of mind. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more informative content. Stay safe and happy gardening!